Hello and welcome to a new test class, which is the class number 2 of embroidery designing using the Wilcom software. Let's get started. And this one I made in the last class. So I will leave it here and I will show you what is the difference between the this one and if I use the other tool, what will be the difference. So let's get started. And today I will be explaining the digitizer. It is pretty simple, just as the open shape. There's nothing different. You can, draw anything you want with this one. So it is just a, simple stitch. Okay. It is like 99% same as the digitized open shape. Okay. The difference between this and digitized open shape is we can't close it. If I see by pressing H, okay, we can close it. I never know it. So this one and this one, they both are the same. There's no difference between them. See, these both are the same. I mean, like, it has the fill. If it is closed, it has the fill inside. If it is closed, it has the fill inside it also. So both are the same. No compro. I mean, if I just select all of them and change it into the satin, they will be same as this. So pretty simple, right? You can change it into sculpture run if you want. You can change it into the triple stitch, the back stitch. Again, keep going on the more and more however you want it. It depends on you. You can change it any way you want to design it. Alright, and I don't need to explain much of this as it is pretty simple, right? These things are similar to these things. Yeah, these things. So no need to explain here. And if I see this, what is this? It is backtrack. Okay. So let's say I am doing a backtrack of it. So as you can see, these are two. So if I'm doing a repeat, so again it will be two. I mean the backtrack and repeat both are the same, just on the repeat, on the backtrack it goes here then goes back. On the repeat it goes here, cut is here and then repeats. So you never need to use this thing because you don't need to overlap. I think if you want to overlap you will draw a new shape on the older shape. So pretty useless to me. I never use them, so ignore them. So let's just move on to the column A. It is one of my favorite, but recently I don't use it much because of the complex turning thing. So it is same as the digitized column that I explained in the last class. Okay. The difference between this and the digitized column I will explain after I am done with this. I will just make it roughly because of the time. Okay, so as you can see we have angle, we are going like this. Okay, we are going this or zigzag zigzag zigzag, then it turns and then goes here. So if I do the digitized column, which is this one, okay, so the difference here is let's change it. So as you can see it is on a single angle. Like if I press the button H, turn on the angles, as you can see it is only one angle that it is going on. Okay, so that's why I don't use it. I prefer to use the digitized column A, not the digitized column, the column A. And if I press the button H, as you can see here, it has all of these angles. Okay, never mind. As you can see it has all of the angle. If I move this, the angle will change, angle will change, angle will change. Okay, I can click here and add another angle if I want. but I don't need to add because like the way you make it, when the angles are moving. So this is the digitized column. That's why these three are pretty useless to me. Never use them. They are trash for me because if I am working on the angles, I will choose the column A. And for the column B, it is kind of pretty interesting thing. So let's say we are making a leaf, okay? This is not a butterfly thing, it is a leaf, okay? So let's say I will make it here, okay? So I make a leaf here, okay? So I will start from here and then and now I will press the button enter, okay? Now we are starting from here again, okay? As you can see, it is based on the its own angle. Like how let me just show you again. And if I press the button and so okay, so it will start from here, okay? The angles will go like this, and after pressing the enter again, I can like this. I mean, it is so big. So actually, I never use it because I don't like it. You can use if you want, but I never use it. It is pretty old thing, so ignore it also if you want, but I don't use it because it is useless. So column C, it is simple, very simple, the simplest thing ever. Like you can start here, you can like end here, okay? After pressing enter one time, you can adjust the length of it. Like if I click here and click here, it will give me this. If I just do it again, after pressing enter one time, I can increase the length of it. Pretty simple, right? And nothing more complicated than this. So, and let's leave this complex fill and the complex turning for the next class. And I will explain you on the next class because these two are the main things that I use. And they will be very helpful for you in all of your life, I think. So let's just delete them, okay? Whatever we made, and let's make this wing today, okay? So for this wing, I will let's just choose the complex fill here. Okay, it is just same as this digitized close shape, but it is my favorite because I will show you why. Mm, okay, so the shape is closed. After pressing enter, the shape is closed, but we can't see the stitches. Now what I can do, I can make holes inside of it if I want. Okay, so these are the holes. Okay, like this is one hole and this is the second if I want. Okay, so two holes are completed. Now if I press enter again, it is asking me what angle should the stitches should be done. Okay, so I will take the angle from here till here, okay, and it's done with the holes and the satin fill. I mean, the holes were never needed because this shape should be like this and you don't need the holes, but I was just explaining you how this complex fill is used. Okay, so complex fill, it is done, and now I will go to the I will take the digitize I will take column A this time and I will make this one. I'm doing a little bit rough and little bit fine, so we can see the difference between the last design and this one. left, right, left, right, left, right, and left, right, again, left and right. Okay. I mean, the shortcut keys I will be explaining in the, I will explain in the next course, which is the intermediate course. But for now, I think if you can see the keys behind, I mean, at the downside, whenever you think I'm doing something different that you don't know, you can go back and see what I'm pressing, and you can copy it, and that's it. So if I press S again, now I will change it into the old color. Okay, I will select it, I will change it into purple color, and as you can see here, the difference is this, like, this is too big. Okay, if I press H, I can't go lower than this. Okay, this is the maximum I can go. And on here it is very nice, it has its own angles and looks pretty nice than this, as you can see. I mean, I didn't complete it, but still, it is um, it is good, as you can see. Um, it is what it is. So this is the class number 2, and hope you like watching it. If you have any problem, any question, comment down, or you can send me a DM. I'm always available for your help, and thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you can support me. And again, thank you for watching. See you on the next class.